guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Calvin Channel Animals. So this video shout out goes to Shuli Fernando, and if you wanna be in the next video shout out, like, subscribe and comment as down in the comment section. As Hasita Amanasekar had commented us as to do a video about Shih Tzu, you go make new video about Shih Tzu. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So this breed was found in China. Their name comes with the Chinese word for lion. The lifespan of this dog breed is 10 to 15 years. The diet type is omnivore. They grow up 7.9 inches to 11 inches. That face, those big dark eyes looking up at you, the sweet expression. It's no surprise Shih Tzu owners have been so delighted with this little dog breed for 1,000 years. This breed follows you wherever you go. Most likely, they like to stay with their owners every day and every time. This dog breed weighs between 9 to 16 pounds. This breed comes with different types of colors, such as brown and peach, brown and black, brown and white, and etc. This dog breed is known to be especially affectionate with children. The history of this dog breed. When you own a Shih Tzu, you own a little bit of Chinese history. Imperial breeders in the palace of the Chinese emperor developed Shih Tzu, the meaning of lion dog, before centuries ago. This dog breed has a long thick hair. Their fluffy coats are one of the most distinctive features and require regular grooming to keep them looking their best. Proper coat care is essential for overall health and well-being of your little Shih Tzu. So guys, this is the end of the video. If you guys liked the video, please like, please subscribe and comment as down in the comment section.